morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today is our English class. Date is 18th of April 2020. Day is Saturday. Today we will learn about sound words. What is this sound words? As we have studied in previous class, vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Yes, these are the vowel sound. So we have to make words from it, like MAP map, CAT cat, MAN man. Yes, HEN hen, PET pet, WET vet. IN PIN pin, ZIP zip. SOON soon, MOON moon, SON sun. U sound. BUN bun, SUN sun, HUT hut. These are sound words. And look at here. A sound words. A and can man. AP app, MAP map, CAP cap, TAP tap. At, HAT at, HAT hat, CAT cat, MAT mat. Now see E sound words. E and N, HEN hen, PEN pen, DEN den, ET it, WET wet, NET net, and you can write SET set. EG egg, LEG leg, EGG egg. Now here comes the I sound words. I and in, PIN pin, TIN tin, BIN bin, IT it, PIT pit, SIT sit, FIT fit, IP ip, ZIP zip, SIP sip, LIP lip. O sound words. O and on, SON sun, SOON soon, MOON moon, OT ot, POT pot, HOT hot, GOT got, OP op, HOP hop, MOP hop, TOP top. Now here comes fifth vowel sound words. This is U sound words. U and un, BUN bun, U and un, BUN bun, NU and none, RU and run, SUN sun, UT at, HUT hat, SHUT shut, BUT but. Okay children, these are the sound words and you have to write it in your copy. At least 5 sound words you have to write in each sound. Thank you children and have a nice day.